First of all, I want to start this video by saying this video is intended for ASUS monitors that are not powering on at all, like completely dead. Like the LED at the bottom doesn't light up or anything, especially after like a thunderstorm or a power spike or something. This happened to me after a power spike, which is weird because my monitor is plugged into an APC, uninterrupted power supply. I thought I would be fine in that type of situation since I had a APC, but looks like it doesn't help. The first thing I did when my monitor wasn't coming on, I googled the problem and I found this Reddit post with a lot of people experiencing the same issue. So this leads me to think that this is actually a common thing, especially after like a power spike or a thunderstorm or something. Here's the Reddit post. One solution I saw was like, this guy was saying to leave your monitor unplugged for a week or so and then try it back later, it should come on, but nobody got time for that, so I wasn't gonna try that one. Another suggestion was to unplug everything and hold the power button down for like 30 seconds, then plug it back in and try turn it on, but this didn't work for me. I tried this and it didn't work for me. It worked for some people, but it didn't work for me. So you can try this if you want to try this. Now here's where it got interesting. I read this guy saying unplug in and out fast and it should come on. I tried this the first time, it didn't work. Now I was like, let me try unplugging in and out at the same time, spamming the power button. So you need like 3 hands for this so you can get help from somebody. I tried this, plugging in and out and spamming the power button, and it worked. So you can try this method and tell me if it works. I have no idea how this works, but I think I have an idea of what may be happening. I tested the power supply for the monitor before I did anything and I got 19 volts on the reading of this multi-tester. Then I plugged the power into the monitor and tried turning it on and got nothing. So I unplugged the power supply. Then I tested the power supply again and it showed basically no power, no volts. I got like a 0 rating on it. It was like after it plugged in the monitor and tried turning it on, the power supply shut itself off. So what I think is happening is like there's a charge or something in the monitor that's causing the power supply to auto shut off when plugged in. I could be wrong. I'm not too sure. But this is what I tested. I tested voltage before I plugged it into the monitor, and then after I tried powering it on, I didn't get any voltage readings. So it could be like some type of protection mechanism. I'm not too sure. You can try testing your power supply too. This whole thing seems weird though. I was about to buy a whole new monitor. If I didn't see this Reddit post or know anything about it, I've been buying a new monitor or something. ASUS needs to get their stuff together because this is apparently a common problem. Look at all these people on this Reddit thread. And only Reddit I saw this thing on. I didn't see any solutions on YouTube. This is why I decided to make this video. Anyway, if the video was helpful, leave me a like, comment and tell me which method worked for you, or if any method at all didn't work for you. You could probably have a more serious problem if none of these worked. And consider subscribing. I do unboxing videos in 8K. I'll catch you in the next one later.